Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tune Beam Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix the connection problem for these earbuds with iPhone. So let's start. So first of all, open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. I will bring down this quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it, and again I will press this Bluetooth icon, and then I select Bluetooth settings. So here you can see JBL Tune Beam is not connected. And then for example, if I try to connect it, after a few seconds it will say connection unsuccessful. So I will show you how you can connect it back. So we just have to wait for few seconds and you will see the message about connection unsuccessful. So here you can see it is saying connection unsuccessful. So first of all, you have to press OK. Now what you have to do, you have to put these earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put them one by one. So here is the right earbud, and then I will insert the left earbud. Now what you have to do, you have to select this JBL Tune Beam again. So I will select it. It will say connection unsuccessful this time, but it will also give you the option of forget device. So just select this forget device option. Now what you have to do, you have to turn off the Bluetooth, and you also have to close the charging case. So I will close the charging case. Now what you have to do, you have to turn on the Bluetooth and then open the charging case. Now I will open the charging case, and now after a few seconds you will see JBL Tune Beam as available devices. So here you can see JBL Tune Beam is now available. So now if I select it, it will start making a connection, and this time it will connect successfully. So here you can see it is saying JBL Tune Beam connected. Now if you want to check, you can also check it through the JBL headphones app. So I will go out of the app, and then I will open this JBL headphones app. So I will just select it, and then here you can see JBL Tune Beam is now connected with the app and ready to use with all the features and functionalities. So this is how you can fix the connection problem for JBL Tune Beam with iPhone. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.